how to use Reddit like a pro. If you've been using Reddit app for a while and you want to use it like a pro, you must lurk first to understand a subreddit's culture and rules before posting. So whatever community you're trying to post on, make sure you understand the community. You must also know the rules, which means to read the subreddit's specific rules as they can vary widely, and also to check your tone, which means before you send a comment, reread it to ensure your tone isn't unintentionally aggressive or defensive. Now, what should you post? To post something, you must create content that solves a problem, like something that provides value, offers a very detailed guide, or shares genuine experience rather than a hot take. And you must also be conversational because you must write like you're talking to a friend and not selling to a customer. You can also use visuals in some cases, which means the post with relevant images or videos tend to get more engagement. And you can tell stories, which means to frame your content as a story to increase engagement, but avoid overly promotional language and not use it for personal promotion. So I hope this video helped you understand the basics of using Reddit app like a pro and understanding the rules of the community. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.